First, carefully read the instructions on your prescription to figure out the correct dosage. Your prescription may be listed in milliliters, units, or both. Use the conversion chart in the pamphlet to figure out how much medication to draw into your syringe. This is extremely important because you want to make sure you don't give yourself too much or too little of the medication. Wipe the vial's cap with an alcohol wipe. Take the cap off the needle. Pull back on the plunger to draw in an amount of air equal to the prescribed amount of medication. Then, insert the needle into the vial of medication and turn the vial upside down. Push the air into the vial, then carefully pull on the plunger to draw the medication into the syringe. Now you're ready for your injection.